In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change post text color on Facebook post full guide. Alright, so I'm starting here on Facebook and the first thing I'm going to do is make sure I'm on the main home screen. Once you're here, you should see the post creation box right at the top that says what's on your mind. So I'm going to go ahead and tap on that. Now that I've opened the post box, I'm going to start typing my text. So I'll just type something in here. And as you type, you'll notice that the interface begins to change a bit, especially if you're creating a simple text post. At this point, once I've entered my text, I'm going to look just below the text box. You should see a row of different background color options. So I'm going to scroll through those colors, just swiping through to see all the available styles. As I scroll, you'll notice each color preview changes the look of your post in real time. So I'm just going through them one by one, checking how the text looks against each background. You can take your time here and pick whichever color fits your post best. Alright, now I'm going to select one of the background colors. So I'll tap on a color that I like, and as soon as I do that, it gets applied instantly to the post. You'll see your text now sitting on top of that colored background. If you want to try another one, you can just tap a different color, and it will switch right away. I'm just going to stick with this one for now. Once I'm happy with how everything looks, I'm going to go ahead and post it. So I'll click on post, and just like that, the post is published with the colored background applied. And that's it. Your post now has a customized text color background, making it stand out a bit more in the feed. If you want to do this again, you just repeat the same process. Tap what's on your mind, type your text, scroll through the color options, pick one and post it. It's really simple once you've seen where the color options are, and you can experiment with different styles each time you create a new post.